А это то, что осталось от града.
Hi guys, it's Sad. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. Russian propagandists are attempting to conceal the attack and sinking of the Russian warship yesterday. They are threatening anyone who talks about it. However, Russian propagandists still don't understand that hiding the truth won't change the situation on the battlefield. I guess desperate times need desperate measures.
Russian military bloggers are properly triggered by Solovyev's statement where he called for anyone who spoke about the ship sinking and Novomykhailivka disaster, where a Russian column was completely devastated to be jailed and destroyed for spreading Ukrainian disinfo. Those who tell Russian citizens about the situation on the fronts of the special military operation are, in fact, dragging Russian society into disinfo agenda. They are enemies. They just need to be destroyed, said Vladimir Solovyov, TV presenter of the state TV channel Russia One.
И, кстати, вот сейчас там некий псевдо-патриотический канал, на мой взгляд, это либо криптохохлы, либо впрямую субсушники. Там разгоняют видео ударов по нашей технике. Я считаю, что этих людей надо арестовать и посадить в тюрьму за то, что они в нашу... Вот они-то для кого распространяют здесь? Для военнослужащих? Для командования? Они что, пытаются помочь? Нет. Они здесь втягивают российское общество в цепсошную повестку. Этих людей надо вычленять и сажать в тюрьму. Все этих телеграммеров, блогеров якобы. Брать и сажать, и неважно, если у них есть буква Z на названии канала. Это враги. И это надо понимать. И бороться с ними надо жесточайшими методами. Втягиваешь сюда цепсошную повесточку, уничтожать. Просто уничтожать.
For almost 2 years now, we have been constantly seeing the consequences of these sweet lies that Solovyev constantly advertises and for which he is the mouthpiece. Tens of thousands of dead and maimed guys who, according to Solovyov, had everything, surrendered Kherson and the Kharkov region. But society has not been drawn into the disinfo agenda, and the same owners are well seated in high offices in various departments. Did anyone die because of the bitter truth? For Solovyov, this is a bullshit question. We have a different question, to the universe, and not to Solovyov. The desire to know what is happening on the fronts of the SMO is an anti-Russian disinfo agenda. Does this mean that there are simply no problems in the agenda of the pro-Russian bosses of the SMO? Russia No Context channel publishes footage from Kherson Oblast's left bank, occupied, where a Russian grad launcher was hit by an FPV drone while deploying. Not much left from the system. The comment is as follows. FPV drones have become increasingly active in the skies, attacking anything that gets in their way. They chase fighters, cars, and even combat vehicles. In this situation, the BM-21 grad took a position and was preparing to fire with a full ammo, but it was attacked by an enemy kamikaze drone, causing an explosion and the complete destruction of the vehicle and its crew.
Проезжаем град, который разнесли. И сматываем отсюда по полной программе, потому что там, сказали, летают ППВшки. Мы теперь экипажем, ой, извините за мат, едем 120, как можно быстрее по плохой дороге, чтобы не попасть этим ППВшкам, так как мы желанная цель для них. А это то, что осталось от града. Он прилетел, он приехал, хотел расставиться и выстрелить, но не успел. По нему прилет был раньше. И вот так его размотало. Вон воронка.
According to the Investigative Committee of Russia, in the crashing site of the Il-76, they found remains of the MIM-104A missile of the Patriot air defense system, but they still didn't present any evidence that Ukrainian prisoners were in the plane. A Tesh partisan movement set a relay cabinet on fire in the Tambov region in Russia. The use of the railway was stopped, the movement reports. Attention, France, Italy. Russian propagandists want to save you. If we have to attack someone for salvation, there are only two countries, France and Italy, where the main wealth of European, West European, Central European culture is concentrated. This is where there is something to save.
Вот зачем нападать России на НАТО, на страны Евросоюза, чтобы потом что? Получить под свой контроль Амстердам, где кокаин разбросан во всех углах, не только уже в аптеках там. И что там делать? Вот. Что там будут делать русские оккупационные части? Они там придут. Бороться с наркотрафиком?
То есть на страны, где легализованные наркотики тяжелые, нападать не будем?
Ну, не знаю, избирательно, что мы на это нападем, на это не нападем. Там всюду где-то что-то легализовано. Ну что, из педофилии, с ЛГБТ. Сейчас нападем и будем там им настоящий приличный моральный уровень поднимать от того, что они опустили. Ну, помимо всех других резонов, экономических, там, кормить их, поить и так далее. Так вот, если уж нужно на кого-то нападать для спасения, я уже тоже говорил, это только две страны. Франция и Италия, где сосредоточены основные богатства европейской, западноевропейской, центральноевропейской культуры. Вот там есть что спасать.
Putin has ordered the jailing of at least 12 hypersonic technology developers. Among them, Anatoly Maslov, Alexander Shiplyuk, Valery Zvigintsov, Vladislav Galkin, Anatoly Gubanov, Valery Golubkin, and others. All are charged under the article on state treason, allegedly for selling classified information, BBC News Russian reported. The FSB began to closely monitor specialists in this field after 2018. Then Putin presented hypersonic missiles, which have no analogs, in his message to the Federal Assembly. Putin praised their speed, maneuverability, and ability to overcome all missile defense systems. Lawyer Yevgeny Smirnov, who defended the defendants in the cases, said that in private conversations, FSB officers admitted that the cases against the scientists are initiated at the high will, and that they personally report every accusation to Putin. In this way, they are trying to show that Russian missile technology is being hunted by spies. To assuage the ego, to show that Russian missiles are the best and they are trying to steal them, Smirnov says. Almost all cases of state treason against scientists have developed in the same way. Special services came to institutes and searched among their international projects for something that fits as well as possible. Then again, the fewer researchers in Russian institutes, the fewer missiles created by them for war.
Thank you guys for watching. This was another video from Warthog Defense. We are following the situation in Ukraine. Stay with us, comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.